The development of the new Renault Megane E-Tech Electric was driven by the objective of reinforcing the sportiness and fun-to-drive character of this original model, highly appreciated by its customers. From a design perspective, we focus primarily on the front end, which has been deeply remodeled. Apart from the headlights, all components are new. The side air inlets of the bumper have now given way to checkered flag-inspired DRLs, each one made up of 8 diamond-shaped elements. They provide a more modern overall perception. They draw the eye further downwards and provide a more assertive front block, visually closer to the ground. With the DRLs now positioned at the corners and disconnected from the headlamps, the vehicle appears wider, and combined with a more prominent, body-colored section of the bumper, the overall expression gains in sportiness. Higher up, Megane now features a closed and glossy black grille, which is animated by a pattern of diamond shapes. The Renault emblem is now positioned beneath the bonnet, and this subtle change significantly gives it a more forward-leaning stance. The integration of high-capacity batteries for an improved range increased the vehicle's height by 20 millimeters. This change could seem quite discreet, but in the end, when combined with the width of the front end, it strongly reinforces the vehicle's presence on the road. At the rear, the lights have been completely redesigned. We maintained the full-width light signature that is part of Megane's identity, but they are now treated as 3D elements without a covering lens, similar to the Clio. Highly recognizable, the new lighting signature adds an extra boost of personality. The rear skirt has been reshaped with a more sporty intention. The lateral decorative parts structure this element and strengthen Megane's stance. To conclude, the transformation of the new Renault Megane E-Tech Electric is profound, providing an even more assertive character. By enhancing the perception of width and a road-hugging stance, the car gains in presence. Sporty and modern, new Renault Megane E-Tech Electric asserts an eye-catching character that echoes its praised dynamic qualities.